What is Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC? The mission statement bills it as the collective voice of the Muslim world that works to protect the interests of the Muslim world. It was established by 24 member states in 1969. Today, with 57 member states from 4 continents, the OIC is the second largest intergovernmental organization in the world after the United Nations, with a collective population reaching over 1.8 billion. The majority of its member states are Muslim-majority countries, while others have significant Muslim populations, including several African and South American countries. While the 22 members of the Arab League are also part of the OIC, the organization has several significant non-Arab member states, including Turkey, Iran and Pakistan. It also has 5 observer members, including Russia and Thailand. The organization has permanent delegations to the UN and the European Union, and its official languages are Arabic, English and French. Why was the OIC established? The OIC first met in Morocco in September 1969, a month after an arson attack inside the Al-Aqsa Mosque that destroyed part of the roof, and the 800-year-old pulpit of Salahuddin, best known for recapturing Jerusalem from the Crusaders in the 12th century. Reacting to the incident, representatives from 24 Muslim countries met in the capital Rabat to establish a body that would promote cooperation across the Muslim world. In March 1970, the first Islamic Conference of Foreign Ministers was held in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and plans for setting up a permanent secretariat for the OIC were established. Issues relating to Palestine have been central to the agenda and summit discussions. The organization has continuously condemned what member states consider Israeli aggressions against the Palestinians. Other issues that have also taken center stage in OIC summits include the wars in Bosnia and Iraq, a rise in the number of refugees from Muslim-majority countries such as Syria, as well as Islamophobia in the West. Objectives and role. According to its charter, the OIC aims to preserve Islamic values, safeguard and defend the national sovereignty and independence of member states, and to contribute to international peace and security. While the organization has been known for its cultural and social projects, its political influence has been relatively limited. Like other international organizations, such as the UN General Assembly, the OIC is supposed to have a unified voice, but it does not, because policies of the individual countries greatly differ. Is the OIC relevant and effective? Like other intergovernmental organizations, although resolutions issued by the OIC are not usually followed by action, statements usually point towards member states as red lines that they cannot cross. To progress on partnering for unity, justice and development, the OIC must come with a new vision that will restore its credibility, its relevance, and reform itself to forge a productive partnership capable of delivering unity, justice and development that is inclusive and equitable. How does the OIC operate? The OIC holds an Islamic summit once every 3 years. At the summit, heads of state discuss ways to achieve the Charter's objectives and make policy decisions that concern its member states.